Hey there. Hey, I got a pretty wild idea that I was just thinking about, and it's related to Scott Adams. He's the creator of Dilbert, and he's got a tennis court in his house. Super wealthy, super successful guy, and actually transitioned into being into like political commentary because he just gets into a subject and then he finds the crux, the leverage, the fulcrum, and can find the point of leverage. And he has had a How to Fail at Almost Everything and Still Win Big is one of his books. And the concept here that he popularized is the talent stack. And what's shocking about this is that if you get any better at ChatGPT than you currently are, then that's adding a sort of a keystone habit that some people talk about, like where if you have one habit that's really important, then it allows you to be able to. It's kind of a compounding habit. So, like if you were to exercise a little bit more, then it allows you to basically get all the other habits that you may have in line, whether it's just feeling better, being able to achieve some particular type of goal that you want to do. So there's all sorts of keystone things. And what's shocking here is that when you have Chat GPT, which can, right when you learn it, it can help you to, like, so uh, we'll actually do a little demo here of the marketer vision prompt. And we'll plug this right. And this is the new one. I've never even done a real demo of that. Oh, no, this is supposed to be a GPT-4. So let's throw that in there and let's just talk about talent stacks. Let's see what it has to say. Talent stacks. How? Yeah. Let's just see what happens if I say what is a talent stack. And this is kind of a new thing because Scott Adams has just kind of recently popularized. Okay, so a talent stack is a combination of various skills, abilities, and experiences that an individual possesses. So it actually is recognizing this concept, and it's shocking. I've never even plugged this in. This is just kind of like a little test here, and it's interesting to be able to break this subject apart. And you see that the moment you can get into this is kind of like an inception of the concept, being able to see that we're going to understand the concept of talent stack by being able to plug this in and see how this one concept, this one skill actually does allow one to be able to build out into all these different types of skills. So, let's try the expand table feature of this type of big old marketing prompt, which is it just helps one to be able to break into a subject using my favorite systems thinking model, DSRP, distinction systems, relationships, and perspectives. These guys, Cabrera Research, that thought about this, they actually try and go, hey, is this actually the structure of the universe itself? Is this the way that psychology works to be able to help one to formulate ideas? So they try and get as meta with it as possible to be able to see what sort of utility one could actually command with it. And I'm always so impressed by this. This is pretty awesome. It's breaking open the skills here. So look at all these skills. Okay, just talking about talent stack itself. Okay, now experiences. Now, how many of these? I mean, you can imagine maybe a coincidence or not, what it knows best. But let me tell you, the AI has a huge impact and has a huge 100x uh, value on all of these. So learning a little bit of AI, one immediately has like a massive repertoire of very uh, pragmatic tools. So look at these personal traits. Obviously playing with these sort of things allows one to be able to just tap into all of this that one considers. But yeah, one can go deeper into all this, but it's just interesting, just a little quick layout of the concept here. And one could see that, hey, this is one of those sort of things that if you just look at it a little bit, then it allows you to look at all these other things that you may be interested in a little bit deeper too. Just a little shocking thing. I'm also going to link a little Scott Adams song from Akira the Dawn below because I think it's pretty shocking and interesting to consider this and just it's super important and just glad to experience AI with you guys. Wish you all the best. Take care.